Today, I'm going to be talking about why Neon Bank is not working on my laptop. I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, so I thought I would do a video to help people out. So, why is Neon Bank not working on my laptop? There are a few possible reasons. Your browser is not supported. Neon Bank only supports certain browsers, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. If you are using a different browser, you will need to switch to one of the supported browsers. Your laptop does not meet the minimum system requirements. Neon Bank requires a laptop with at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor. If your laptop does not meet these requirements, you will not be able to use Neon Bank. Your internet connection is not strong enough. Neon Bank requires a strong internet connection to work properly. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, you may experience problems using Neon Bank. There is a problem with the Neon Bank website. Neon Bank may be experiencing technical difficulties. If this is the case, you will need to wait until the problem is resolved. Troubleshooting. If you are having trouble using Neon Bank on your laptop, there are a few things you can try. Check your browser. Make sure that you are using a supported browser. Check your laptop specifications. Make sure that your laptop meets the minimum system requirements. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is strong and stable. Try clearing your browser's cache. This can help to resolve some technical issues. Contact Neon Bank support. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Neon Bank support for help. Additional tips. If you are using a VPN, you may need to disable it in order to use Neon Bank. If you are using a firewall, you may need to allow Neon Bank through your firewall. If you are using an ad blocker, you may need to disable it in order to use Neon Bank. With that said, thanks for watching.